Hello, and today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I've got something a bit unusual to show you today. It's a 2017 on a 17 plate QUADZILLA CFMOTO CFORCE. This is an 800cc 4-wheel drive automatic quad bike, and as you can see, it's fully road legal on road tyres. It comes with indicators, reverse lights, number plates, and as I mentioned, an 800cc engine, which means it doesn't hang about. I'll climb on. There's not too much to show you around the interior, but I will point out it's quite unusual having these horns, four-way flashers, indicators. You do of course have two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, as well as high and low range. Again, with it being the automatic, it does feel quite strange, but this is a really great toy. To start it up, it does take two hands. You can see from the seating you've got space for the driver, and there is also space at the back for a passenger. And you've got this lockable luggage compartment on the back too. This is a really cool little thing, and something that we've got around at the moment, so we thought it was worth sharing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.